Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and we're ready to do our 50,000 subscriber giveaway. Now, Melina, even after she had planned to be here, she could not be here today. So we're going to go ahead and do the giveaway anyway. She's watching, but she had something that she had to take care of and she couldn't be here. So we're going to go ahead and do the giveaway. Now, the first prize will be a Cricut machine. It's not a Cricut Maker, it's a Cricut Explorer, which I love my Cricut Explorer. I use it probably more than I do my Cricut Maker. If you don't cut a lot of material or chipboard, thin chipboard, things like that, then the Cricut Explorer is going to do everything that you want it to do. All right, here we go. I have already got my URL in there, and then I have checked add extra entries, and I have put all the people that went over and commented on the blog. I put those in there. So there is a ton of comments. So it may take just a minute to go through here. We're doing a random comment picker from the internet, and it goes, you just put your YouTube video in there and it goes and picks out all those, and then if you need to enter or add more people, you can do that too, and we did that. So some of you may have 2 or 3 different entries. That's okay. That's what we said that would be fine. But remember, if this draws your name out, you're not automatic winner. I have to go check and make sure you are a subscriber to our YouTube channel. So I will check all of that first before we say that you're confirmed. All right, here we go. Number 1 for the Cricut Explorer. Miss Elsa Cleary won the Cricut Explorer. Miss Elsa, I don't know if you have one or not, but if you don't have one, then congratulations. Oh my goodness. So let me put her name down here. She is so sweet. She leaves comments all the time. She says, congratulations on 50,000 plus subbies. I've been with you for years. Yes, you have. And have learned so much. I love mini albums, and now I'm going to start on junk journals. Thank you, Edith. You have taught me so much. Thank you so much, Elsa. You have been a faithful subscriber, and she's the one that has sent me a couple of lighthouses too for my collection. So that is so sweet. All right, Cricut. And I know she is a subscriber, so I don't even have to check hers because I know she is one. All right, the second prize is $150 worth of product from different vendors. There's 2 or 3 different vendors that have donated product. So this will be the second prize. Okay, pick another winner. Let's go. Start. Okay, Bookshop Shelly. I don't recognize that name. Bookshop Shelly. All right, we will have to check and see if she is a subscriber. All right, it says, congrats on this big milestone. My favorite is paper crafting. It's a new obsession, but since I discovered junk journaling, I don't even want to take breaks to sleep. Thanks for the giveaway. Good luck, everyone. Okay, I will check and make sure she is a subscriber, and then that will be our second winner. So she's the $150 worth of product from various vendors. And then the third prize is a $50 gift card from our store and a $50 gift card from May May's, from May May Made It store. So let's pick our third winner. Start. Madam H. Here again, I don't know that. I don't know that name. Of course, you know, I know everybody uses different names on YouTube, so it could be anybody. Could be somebody I really know. Congratulations on your subscribers. I like card making and junk journals and flip books. I have used some of your ideas. Thank you for sharing them. Blessings, dear one. Okay, so Madam H, I will check and make sure she is a subscriber. And if so, then she wins the 2 gift cards. All right. That's so exciting. Okay, thanks guys for all the comments. I think all the comments together, we had over 5,000 comments total. So thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys have been so wonderful. I really appreciate it more than you will ever know. So Miss Elsa, I will get your Cricut mailed out to you. Bookshop Shelly, I will make sure that you are a subscriber. Now, I'm going to leave my email below, so you guys still need to contact me, okay? So when you see this video, you make sure you contact me. Now, I will give 48 hours from the time the video goes live for you to contact me and say that you saw the video and you saw your name. If you don't contact me within 48 hours, then we're going to draw again for that particular product. Let's say Shelly doesn't contact me, then we will draw again for that $150 worth of product, okay? So 48 hours. All right, let's see. And I will not contact you. You have to contact me. That's one of my specifications. I don't like people just click and subscribe to try to get something for free. If you're not going to watch my videos, then, you know, you won't win. So you have to watch the videos to see if you won or not, and then you have to contact me. All right, I will go and check these to make sure they're subscribers, and then I will wait for their email to me, and if I don't get an email from them within 48 hours, then we will draw again. All right, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.